Guys reveal what they find unattractive about women. 1. Too much makeup. Women that look like they have a mini cement mixer for the foundation they slap on. A little is okay, but keep the false advertising for magazines. Women that don't want to eat or nibble at the table. I'm watching my figure, then go home and chow down like they haven't eaten for a week. 2. Being a bad drunk. Not being interested in things, so for example, not being curious or wanting to learn anything, and women who are fussy eaters and don't want to try new things. 3. I hate when girls talk like babies, giggly immature stuff. Dependency, low self-worth. 4. Women who wear clothes that are too short for their body shapes and show off more than needs to be seen, leave a little to the imagination. The orange women. Women who wear fake tan or use sunbeds far too much and need to let a little natural color show through. Women that wear massive heels but can't walk in them and look awkward. Not to mention needing a ladder to look them in the eye despite being over 6 foot myself. Long nails. I don't like it when you are talking to women and notice their nails are the size of coat hooks. Fake nails are fine, just don't make them look like hooks. Loads of tattoos and piercings. A few tasteful tattoos or piercings are fine, and as much as I'm not a tattoo, piercing person, some do look nice, but having them plastered all over your face is just a no. 5. Hairy arms and farting. 6. Someone that takes themselves too seriously. Also when girls preen themselves on dates constantly, i.e. touching up their makeup. Also, girls that dress badly too, like really short skirts on a first date. 7. Needy, clingy, constantly suspicious, vain, needlessly unconfident, no ambition, shallow. Not independent, relationship is the main part of her life, sacrifices friends and family to obsess over relationship, stalkerish qualities. 8. If it's Tinder specific, the second I see all the photos are selfies in front of mirrors. No. The assumption that on dates the man will pay for everything, I don't mind, but not when we're 3 dates in and you haven't even paid for a cordial. Being very short with messages or in conversations. I instantly lose interest if I feel like I'm having to force every conversation. Whilst this may seem like they really aren't interested in me, which of course happens a lot, I've had a few people do this and then be confused why I fall off the face of the earth and don't want to see them again. Also, too much makeup. 9. When I lived in Australia, an FHM model gave me her number. Happy days, right? It was. Until she started talking. Beautiful house but nobody home. A bungalow, no upstairs. Looks are important, but they shouldn't be a replacement for a personality. 10. Overuse of fake tan, excessive amounts of makeup, lack of ambition career-wise, bitching, bad table manners, a lack of hobbies, interests is unattractive, lack of interesting conversation. 11. Women who think it's okay to be on the toilet while you're in the bath. 12. Uncleanliness and manliness, I like girls to be girly if that makes sense. 13. For me, the most unattractive things in a female are laziness, fakeness and expectations. Anyone who is lazy in life, be it aspiration, motivation or physical activity, fake, think huge heels, plastered makeup, high maintenance, or has expectation of me as a huge no-no. One of the things that bugs me most is the expectation of what a guy should do. I hate it when girls preach female equality and rights, which I'm a big advocate of, may I add, and then thrust a stereotype onto the guys they date. If I want to pay for something I will, but don't go into a date expecting me to. Respect yourself, respect your morals and respect my right not to have to pander to your every wish.